Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on Apple Airpod Max headphones. In case you're having like any connection issues or sound issues, a lot of times a quick hard reset will fix all of those issues. So all we need to do that, it's very simple. We're going to come in here and we have our little ring selector, and then we have this button over here. And so all we need to do is we're going to come in and we're going to press the ring selector and this button over here, press and hold simultaneously for several seconds, and you'll know when it's worked because at the bottom where the headphones can charge, there is a little indicator light. So you're going to hold those two buttons until the indicator light blinks several times. It'll give a several fast blink, and that means that it is going through its reset process. And then once you do that, you'll have to repair these headphones with whatever devices you were using because it will have forgotten all of its paired devices. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.